we would like to appeal to the citizens to take part individually in this big event and to make us proud as Meghalayans.
Ke National Yogasana Sports Federation of India kabaha upok kejing pejing jengok ke Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs and Prime Minister's Office kalau pelong mentagas ngi kejing kendu bikinong thokot kubor halor ke kilanmen Surya Namaskar project ya kabaan pelong haga khat sautrik mentau benang deng baki kor kibor kejek menta Lekmi linti bendan hadu nyobusan klur kinong shangnong kari kiba nya shimbenta o president jokani ke kenhun o manik pol ulabatai
The Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs and the Ministry of Ayush, Department of Ayush, jointly by Patanjali Yoga Samiti Haridwar in Uttarakhand, along with the Meghalaya Yogasana Sports Association, that we must include this information to all the citizens of Meghalaya that Surya Namaskar, 75 crore Surya Namaskar, that is already given there in the top hashtag 75 crore Surya Namaskar is actually activity by all of us of the Indians that we should perform on 14th of this month, 14th of January 2022 in the morning. Normally this activity will be done at Governor House along with the Governor. So we are inviting everyone to take part in this mega event through online mode, and you can post we are appealing to the citizens of Meghalaya to take part in this grand event and to make the project a success, because it is going to be a grand event and going to break most of the records in the world, especially in our country as well. So this press conference has been done on the basis of this. We should perform Surya Namaskar as a national event, and through online mode we can register ourselves at 75 crore suryanamaskar.com. There we can find individual registration as well as institutional registration.